Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast. This is your Investing Happy Hour. My name's Intern Austin, last name Austin, first name Intern. And it's been a bit of a weird day for the market, so let's jump in and see how the indices closed today. The Dow finished down today about 0.1%, while the S&P was pretty much flirting with the positive negative, but it did end positive. The Nasdaq ended positive as well, up about 0.4%, with the global Dow up as well, about 0.1%. Gold today finished flat, while oil was down about 0.7%, so not nearly as quite as that 2.5% drop we saw at the market's close yesterday, but still a drop nonetheless. One of the big headlines today is Gilead. They were down 8.5% today following their earnings reports, and they are actually our loser. I didn't write it on the board, but that's part of our winner and loser for the day. So Gilead down 8.5%, and really they released their earnings reports, and this huge drop in the stock price today is coming mostly out of concerns for no recurring revenue per patient. So somebody like Gilead, they don't sell maintenance drugs, they sell cures. So I'm not sure if Hep C cases, the number of Hep C cases are going down across the United States or what, but their sales for their Hep C drug fell drastically, and the stock price obviously reflects that. However, the winner today, we've mentioned them before, WYNN Hotels, they were up 6%, and they've pretty much recovered nicely from when we first mentioned them as a loser. They are now at about the 105 mark after opening much lower than that. The last thing I want to talk about in our Investing Happy Hour today is a Pokey Draft. That's right, if you've listened to our episodes before, you know that there is a gym right across the street from our office, and we're an office divided, folks. Me and the other interns, Scotty and Joseph, are all Team Blue, that's Team Mystic, while Matt and Andrew, President and Vice President, are Team Red. There's no Team Yellows, but that has split the office. I know Sam, Ben, and Krebsbach are getting close to the point where they have to decide which team to be on, but this is an advertisement, this is a call to arms, whatever you want to call it. If you are Team Blue, we need your help. We're not lacking in terms of power, only in terms of people. We need your high CP Pokemon to take down this gym. It's been red all day. It's been infuriating. Joseph and I worked really hard to take it for Team Mystic yesterday, but somehow a couple rando red teams showed up and took it away from us, and we've been battling them all day, but we just don't have enough manpower. So if you're a Team Blue, swing by our office or just drive by, do some damage to the gym, let us know how much you did so we can give you a special shout out and help us regain control of this gym, because I think we all know and we can all agree that this gym deserves to be Team Mystic. So that's all we have today for your Investing Happy Hour. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. As always, I'm not sure if I'll be the one saying good morning or Andrew, but be sure to hit subscribe, leave us a 5-star review. We always read those on air. Stay tuned for tomorrow morning. We'll be hitting you bright and early with our morning market mimosa, and we'll see you guys then.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.